Access the injured site using a guide and obturator. Drill the bone tunnel under guide protection. Insert the anchor under the guidance of the guide. Separate the blue-white suture and the blue suture on the anchor. Pass the pusher suture passer through the glenoid labrum, push out the nitinol wire, and grasp it with forceps. Pass the blue-white suture on the anchor to the nitinol wire. Retract the nitinol wire to the tip of the pusher suture passer, then withdraw the pusher suture passer. Pass the finger crease of the blue-white suture implant suture on the anchor through the blue suture traction suture. Tighten the blue suture traction suture to pull the blue-white suture implant suture back to the anchor site, and gently tug repeatedly until the blue-white suture forms a self-lock. Trim the excess suture with suture scissors.